Guangzhou Hongda Craft Company, Limited was established in 2009. A factory located in Panyu District, Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province. It covers an area of 2,800 square meters with a construction area of 6,500 square meters. The registered capital is 1 million. Hongda Company mainly produces and develop wooden assembly models and various mini-scene customizations. Has a stronger design, production, sales team. We have 95 employees and have advanced production equipment. The production equipment includes more than 30 laser engraving machines, 3 CNC cutting machines, 3 CNC engraving machines. The average production capacity is 1,200,000 boxes, and the annual sales are more than 50 million yuan. Our products are sold in domestic and foreign markets. Our products are hot selling in domestic market and it's hot selling to United States, Russia, Canada, Australia, Japan, Korea, Netherlands, Ukraine, and Southeast Asia. In order to meet the needs of customers, the company has passed 3C, CE, EN 71, ISO 9001, CPSIA, ASTM, CPC, COC, and other certificates since 2009. Hongda Company's current strategic goal is to serve high-quality customers with our innovative, safe and top-quality wooden products while ensuring the needs of existing domestic and foreign customers. All staff in Guangzhou Hongda Craft Company, Limited are welcome customers to visit and negotiate cooperation.